Oh, you know what I can't? I can't make this mother. Wow, I can't make cornbread because I don't have the buttermilk. Wow, I just thought about that. I don't. All right, let's try this again. Round 2. I was missing the buttermilk. We're gonna make this a whole video though, so you're gonna learn something. I don't give a fuck about the security update. Don't fucking update my goddamn phone, bro. I didn't ask for that. Punk. Trying to update my phone. Hey, I did not ask for that. I did not grant you permission to do so. Alright. Oh wait. I can't. Alright. We're gonna go with the silly. And I'm missing my hydrant. I would lose my brain, I swear, if it weren't inside my head. Alright, so we're gonna make this video. Are you ready? I'm ready. Hold on. What's going on, you guys? Today we're gonna make cornbread from scratch, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's super easy. You only need a few ingredients. You need cornmeal, self-rising cornmeal mix. Oh, my words. Blech. My words are shot.